Hello children. In lesson 1 we learn how to say hello to people, and our lesson is called Masibulise. Let's say hello. Masibulise. When you say hello to one person, you will say Molo. Molo. When you say hello to a group of people, you will say Molweni. Molweni. Again, to one person, Molo. To more than one person, Molweni. Here we have two children, and we say hello to them by saying Molweni Bantwana. Hello children. Molweni Bantwana. And here we have a teacher. We say hello to him by saying Molo Tichala. Hello teacher. Molo Tichala. Here we have a lady teacher, and what do we say to her? We say Molo Tichalakazi. Hello miss, or hello lady teacher. Molo Tichalakazi. And here we have an older man, and because he's much older than you, in Xhosa we call him Tata. We say hello to him by saying Molo Tata. Hello father, or hello older man. Molo Tata. And here we have an older lady. We call her Mama in isiXhosa, even though she's not your own mother. We say hello to her by saying Molo Mama. Hello mother, or hello older lady. Molo Mama. Here we have a young boy. We call him Booty. We say hello to him by saying Molo Booty. Hello brother, or hello young boy. Molo Booty. A young girl, we call her Sisi. We say hello to her by saying Molo Sisi. Hello sister, or hello young girl. Molo Sisi. And here we have an old lady who could be as old as your own granny. We call her Makulu, and we say hello to her by saying Molo Makulu. Hello grandmother, or hello old lady. Molo Makulu. And in our last picture we have an old man who could be as old as your grandfather. We call him Tatomkhulu. And we say hello to him by saying Molo Tatomkhulu. Hello grandfather, or hello old man. Molo Tatomkhulu.